What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So most of us are working from home and we spend about, at least I spend about uh, 14 to 15 hours in front of the system. So a good chair is very important. So that's what we are doing today. We are going to unbox the Green Soul ZODIAC-Pro ergonomic chair. It's not a gaming chair. I wanted to buy a gaming chair, but the problem with gaming chair is that we cannot sit for that long, like 15 hours in a gaming chair. I just end up sweating. So I thought, why not go for something like this one? So this was the chair which I was previously using. As you can see, the armrest is completely broken off. I'm not sure how did I end up breaking it. And underneath, all the clothing is torn off, thanks to my cute little cats here. That's the second one. So this chair, I'm not sure which brand it is, but it costed me somewhere around 8,000 rupees. And this one is from Human Scale, and this will cost you somewhere about 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees here in India. This is a very super comfortable chair, but it doesn't have enough height adjustability. And so yeah, let's see how does this Green Soul ZODIAC-Pro compare against those two. So I have already broken the seal, but I have not taken the parts out yet from the box. So it means let's get unboxing. Alright, so quickly let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have a box inside the box. And then we have another box inside the box, but this one is open for some reason. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the gas lift, which is class 4. So this will help us to adjust the height of the chair. And we have Allen key here. Let's keep that aside. Oh, the cushioning on this is super good. And this is also a sliding seat. So this is also adjustable. We'll take a look at this once I have assembled the chair. And then we have the bottom portion with really good quality wheels. We'll get to know that later. And then I think this is the backrest with adjustable headrest as well. And it's got lumbar support, which again I'll show you guys in the later part of the video. And finally, I think this is also for the bottom portion and the user guide. So I think this will help us in assembling this chair. So here it says it'll take about 20 minutes and it's easy to assemble this one. Tools are already available in the box, and person required is just 1 and 2 would be great. So yeah, at the end this is how the chair will look like. So let's see how it goes. So the step 1 seems to be very easy. We just got to get the base ready. So let's see how simple and easy that is. Okay, so this is the base cover, I think. Yeah. Okay. And then we take the gas lift. Ta-da! Simple as that. So step 2 is to unscrew the screws pre-attached with the seat using the Allen key. The Allen key which is provided within the box. So, and there are 3 screws on the right and 3 screws on the left. So we'll go ahead and unscrew it. Okay, in a second. Let's fast forward this part. So I have removed all 6 screws from the seat using the assembly guide. Next step is to place the armrest, and I think that's what is in this box. Yep, the armrest. The armrest seems to be of a very good quality, but I should make sure that I don't put too much pressure because I might just end up breaking it again. Okay, so let's go ahead and place the armrest and put the screws back in. Alright, so armrest is done. The next step is also pretty similar. You just have to unscrew the 3 screws pre-attached with the back using the Allen key. So the screws are here. I think these 3 are the screws which we need to remove. So we have removed all 3 screws, and next I think we need to attach this to the seat. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, they have given a slot here which we need to slide this backrest into, and then we need to put these screws back. Okay, so that was pretty easy too. So let's see what's the next step. So we got to attach the upper body to the bottom base. Let's do it. Please ignore my cats. They are super naughty and they keep running around. Okay. So voila, the assembly is done, and I'm 100% sure that I might end up breaking the armrest. But the chair itself is very comfortable. The armrest is adjustable, but in front and back, and then it's got height adjustment. The seat slider is also adjustable, so by pulling this will move forward, and you will have better thigh support. And to be frank, it's got really good back support, and as you guys can see, the lumbar support is also adjustable. And this is the first time I'm seeing a pretty useful headrest. So usually you do not touch your head when you're using something like that, something like my old chair, but this one has a proper headrest as well. I think this is a really good chair in case you're planning to sit for 10 to 15 hours on a daily basis, and this will give you good support and make sure that you don't have any sort of backache or anything as such. Obviously, in comparison to the human scale, it is not that comfortable. This has backrest adjustability as well. I mean, you can tilt this as per your comfort. In terms of quality and feel, obviously this is a 80,000 rupees chair, and this one will obviously have better quality. This one is it's got plastic everywhere and not metal like the one on these. But yeah, it's a good chair for the money. I think 13,000 rupees is fairly a good price for this chair. So if you guys are looking for a work from home setup or a chair, you should definitely go for the Green Soul ZODIAC-Pro. But a long-term review will definitely come on this channel, so stay tuned for that in case you want to see that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.